Japandi isn't disappearing this year, 2026. It's evolving. What exactly Japandi looked like a few years ago and where it's heading now? Design rules that worked before don't automatically work today, so repeating the same formulas can slowly age your space. The mistake isn't choosing Japandi, it's freezing it in time. Stay until the end so you know exactly what's in, what is out, and how Japandi evolves this 2026 in a way that feels current, calm, and emotionally grounding, not trendy or forced. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Section 1. Color Palette. This is the color approach that used to define Japandi, but now makes spaces feel dated. Cold white, especially on your walls, once felt clean, but in 2026, it reads sterile and unfinished. Too much beige in one shade, often seen on furniture pieces, creates a safe look, but removes depth and contrast. These colors aren't wrong, but they no longer support how Japandi is meant to feel this 2026. Japandi moves toward warmer and richer tones. Warm whites and off cream soften the room without sacrificing brightness. Earthy hues like clay, sand, and muted olive add depth while staying neutral. Then richer wood colors, such as walnut, balance the palette, so the space feels intentional and timeless. The shift isn't about adding more color, but choosing better neutrals. Bold Japandi focuses on lightness, but often loses warmth, while Japandi 2026 prioritizes depth and comfort. Section 2. Materials and Textures. When your space relies too much on smooth, perfect finishes, it may look clean, but it feels flat. Using one consistent wood tone makes the design feel less layered. When matte flat cabinets are paired with a matte quartz surfaces, the kitchen feels flat. These choices still work, but Japandi in 2026 shifts differently. Your space feels better when textures are subtle and intentional. Pairing smooth finishes with woven, stone-like, or brushed surfaces creates balance in your interiors. Using raw or lightly brushed finishes, such as oak grain, gives your space character. The shift isn't about adding more texture, but selecting textures you can see and feel. Section 3. Layout and Space Planning. In many Japandi homes, the furniture still lines the walls, but the space feels disconnected. Pushing your sofa, bed, or dining table against the perimeter leaves the center underused. Poor circulation in your layout forces awkward movement, so the room never feels natural to use. Better layouts focus on intention, so every part of your space has a role. The dining and kitchen areas are divided using proper furniture placement, not walls. Planning clear walking paths around seating and tables makes your home easier to move through. Leaving purposeful negative space between pieces adds balance, so the room feels calm instead of empty. The goal isn't adding more furniture, but placing each piece where it truly works, so your space is planned with intention. Section 4. Furniture Design. Across some homes, some furniture still feels too light and temporary. Narrow tables and lightweight chairs look minimal, but they feel visually weak. Beds with thin frames paired with a nightstands lack grounding, making the bedroom feel unfinished. These choices are no longer match how you want your space to feel in Japandi 2026. Furniture. This 2026 works better when your pieces feel grounded and intentional. Softer curves on tables and chairs make your interiors feel more relaxed and welcoming. Low-profile beds with solid frames paired with block-style nightstands create visual stability and comfort. Choosing fewer pieces with thicker profiles gives each item presence, so your room feels composed, not crowded. This isn't about buying more furniture, but selecting pieces that visually and physically support daily life. Section 5. Lighting Style. Look at how the room feels once the lights are on. If everything becomes evenly bright the moment you flip the switch, the space may look clear, but it loses mood. Cool or neutral white bulbs make surfaces visible, but they don't help your home feel relaxing. That lighting setup still works functionally, but it no longer supports the calm Japandi feeling. Lighting in 2026 supports how you want to feel in the space, not just how well you can see. Warmer color temperature shift the mood immediately. Soft ambient light like warm LED strips creates a calm base glow. Warm floor lamps placed beside your sofa soften corners and reduce harsh contrast. Focused task lighting, such as a set of pendant lights above your dining table, supports daily use without flooding the room. Instead of lighting everything, you light with intention. Section 6. Decor and Styling. Scan your shelves and surfaces for a second. If every open area holds an object, the room may look styled, but it starts to feel busy. Layering too many vases, books, and candles feels curated. Spread across your shelves and consoles create visual noise. Trying to fill every corner turns minimalism into clutter, so your home feels restless instead of calm. Styling in 2026 gives your space room to breathe, so calm becomes the focus. Fewer decor pieces, chosen at a larger scale, create stronger visual impact. Handmade objects like ceramic bowls, stone vases, or sculptural wood pieces add warmth without excess. Leaving intentional empty space around decor lets each piece stand on its own, so the room feels balanced. The shift isn't about removing personality, but allowing each item to matter. Section 7. Japandi Feel. Think about how your space makes you feel the moment you walk in. If everything looks clean and light but feels emotionally distant, that's the old Japandi mindset. That approach isn't wrong, but it no longer reflects how you want your home to support daily life. Your home in 2026 is designed to support how you live and feel, not just how it looks. Calm now comes from warmth, weight, and balance. Depth replaces emptiness, and comfort replaces perfection. At this point, you can see that updating your Japandi home isn't about chasing what's trending next year. What really changes in 2026 is how your space supports you. Japandi now doesn't try to impress. It quietly supports your daily life, so your home feels better, not just better designed, but better to live in. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.